Ever wondered how a developer makes an API easy to consume and understand? Let me introduce you to OpenAPI specification, the blueprint for building and consuming APIs. OpenAPI specification is nothing but a standard format for describing RESTful services. You can think of it as a contract between the API provider and the API consumer. We also quote OpenAPI specification as OS, and it is widely used across the industries for the API development. Now, let's try to understand the key features of OpenAPI specification. So with the help of OpenAPI specification, we can generate the API documentation. We will be seeing in a while like how we can generate the document and how it looks like. Apart from that, you can define the request and response structure for your API. Like also, you can validate the data coming in the API request with the help of OpenAPI specifications. Okay. Now, if I show you, this is how a OpenAPI specs looks like. Okay. So generally, we write OpenAPI specification in YAML format, okay, where we describe all the details about the API. Let's quickly go to the Swagger website, as it is a capability offered by Swagger, okay. So you can go to editor.swagger.io and this kind of page will be open where this YAML will be generating this kind of document, okay. So if I show you here, this kind of document will be generated out of this YAML. So if you see here, I can see the name of my API, what kind of API it is a get or post API,